Sarkodie kabute no ho kyere no e na opese o kyere say nigga unya o crib because you sign so yeah no opese o kyere say men's good and a sign shatawale and a man in skeleton ne crib na ne mansion no
Poleeno.
Why a good boy?
Oh, I'd like to miss that.
O say
I want to rap.
why
Over there.
Sarkodie Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. Welcome to another exciting video. Mediani I'm strong Poleeno ade unim dada. I had a urban YouTube channel so what I say. Enti eba the youth ne pa na ya bana report na abremo kama. Quick one, Sarkodie release a track and a video. Menche kra enti yekutie na ye nyina ye hu. The way ensem city because I rap. Enti me started say me o premiere. Tim started say me tia am say no e wo say me pause no na me bani nyina ye hwebom so ati ase na enkoye say medical hwe na ye be ka ho asem say the die ye no no enti quick one ye enkotie track no ofre no CEO flow of feature E-40 any official video enti
yeah. You know I'm running out of patience. Still out of the kind of nigga who will make a panic cause I feel like a vacation. Mama standing on location. Someone need me here, you don't need that invitation. We having a conversation about if I'm rich, you were fucking with the nation.
And that one no anyway the way you start to scratch say about this because those is starting you know say munim ni fee and unim fan base na say solid we having a conversation I don't know. What do you think? I say niggas no more hate, but no chasey papers, or chasey do. Scanner or no the all here, and I'm there. More yeah, this. Munching call from none of the own whom cry or $1. Yeah, dollars. I'm so swift, I dodged door to put it. Bamba, what point you be a hana, yinty, or see bullets then. So be hating, I wanna pick my place. They gotta do it. I'm so swift, I dodged door to put it. Listening again, I will use force to chew it. Bullets bang as seven okay. Rough Town Records bullet ana. Because I say I dodge all the bullets. I don't know, remember some day I can recall because yeah, Sarkodie any Kwame Eugene any when they say omo track be an friend. Some 35 and yes some BBB. I really don't remember the actual title, but we will be a udinyu matia unim. Na sa track no na hiti ye I was saying come ye music video amaso we upon am demo apo Poleeno Multimedia de oba ha ye ma wapo amaso na Sarkodie ko release this song nti ya say ekele nyom no so shine nti minim so oni bullet nya back and forth there and or pointy BBC. I don't know, I'm just saying. I say enyum de yenim nyum ti ni mu chire nti o de basa na yeso ye be chire mse na yeti ase ye be relate to nsem na ye hu de wo pa chire ti some 35 years right ti minim say bullet one sem na o ka na say actual bullet gun bullet na o ka say wa dodge ne de yenko. This will be like from day one I knew it. The return of the Godfather. I see the return of the Godfather. I see any lack and all the drew baby a word yeah any lack from day one no nim baby oko. What I say? Yeah, oh Bobra now hustle harder. Send me a hustle. Me jidi say nim baby a oko. So what I say? Nti e chine bi no udru a mo bi ndwen say wo die na wo te weni no odru baby a wodru. Also on from day one no nim so be the Godfather. And also say the return of the Godfather. I see you owu a mo be sofa rapper be frame Mrs. here so we say me phone na belia we enka call no but minim say den a what is Sarkodie release nyum na frame yen ne ntwetwe nkomo we on our interview yenko AYA
Poleeno.
YA good boy
Oh, I'd like to miss that.
O say
I want to rap.
why
Over there.
Sarkodie Ada rapper no so say because me afa ni yeti o. Me ne Poleeno Multimedia ahwefo.
Sir.
Enti wo life a ye twetwe nkomo wo fe ya na say ye pick
Ah. La sala oti.
Okay then, Sarkodie ka then.
Okay, can't say me bra.
Ma ahwefo no bi nte because ye nyina afa na yeti enyum no. Oh, can say me to say then.
I didn't hear.
Oh, yeah, ya hwe no ahoma no so ye be Craig me afre no. Na oye rapper Good Boys omo track bi omo feature YP Seminyanka Google na eti omo ye very good Good Boys. Inti nsema oka. O say why
Hello.
aha.
Poleeno.
Enyum no this ana.
Oh, you know this room.
This woman.
This room pa.
Okay. Why mo sa na adwin so this film?
Oh, what this am for we but okay, enyum no baby I walk say. Enyum no from 1 minute 40 seconds all corner. I say no at this level no I'm just rapping to keep you on your toes.
No why no rappers na say
E hono de me sure say na on rapper.
oh ne why
E ho de me sure say Shatawale ana na Sarkodie say to be man no.
Sir.
Because I can say I'm just rapping to keep you on your toes no. And I say nigga get the grip. Oh, just
all because
yeah, say a sign no na say when you scatter ne man say ne ade. Oh, me nyahu rapper bia.
What
Record label bia sign na say what man say ne sa ade no.
Okay.
What I say nti me de me maju mu de hono ye
Saturday.
Wale de pa kese pa.
Okay.
What the action young blues. Nti eja. De
okay, yeah that's a report na dey my Poleeno Multimedia dey afi na yeguso a ye 18 no ye drew 45 seconds a yeguso tu nti yeah that's an update no bibia ye beba na so
yes that was
good boy and Good Boys wa na ne twetwe nkomo no I mean omo ye very great talent so what I say nti ode gugu omo Good Boys featuring YP Seminyanka a very dope track uti abese ti I know it's almost working on a new one, but yeah, I'm going to Sarkodie then.
Man, that shit is camouflage. Decade in the game, I made a lot of cash, but I need more, cause you know we blow money fast. Niggas wanna tap into the blessing. Time is gonna reveal all the truth. I ain't stressing, I'm the best to ever do it. This is not even a question, they don't wanna see me great. And that be the impression I get from all this soft ass rappers. You dealing with some soft flash at the
I say I'm going to be be great, and then I'm person we who know but Charlie or no more soft ass rappers, what I say. Why so chere say Sarkodie to be a man for and for now what to be a mom no say Shatawale esu din apie mu ha say so what I say wa money din dey say ekuti enim ni wa insinuation no e commerce Shatawale sana according to Good Boy wa say na work enyum no I mean as ye tie ni say nti me shada nya vibes ni but me hu say unwe punch ye ngoti
I'm the greatest in the game, no cap. So when I'm in my Bible, the same no cap. If you gonna get to push the game, go back. Yes, it happens for the kids, but it ain't no backup. Even when I run it, when I made more stacks, I made rappers that before when they take more cash. When they keep it keen, we go big dog lack. From Kumasi VIP, when they take tall box. They want me to chill like they carry on ice. I think easy, me GQ, but I carry on night. When we know what then I probably don't like. Just let me be honest, my nigga, we alright.
Asema na Sarkodie kanzan o David my nigga we alright o say one winning award na chere so ono na mpe ade award no ne dia Sarkodie da bia asem we de sabra biem ade o kan sa ade ayeso ye beka sa awards no to yes o ka sa one winning award na say wona wo mpe dia na say o to because o bon modern obi so bon no modern but well obi so chere say so speedy game now we den untimi ntu no nti so one winning award na say that year no mpese obeye hard work bia hey yenti saline pe ode so see when we near water my nigga probably san worker me I don't know see yeah so Charlie can't sack CEO Flow FT E-40 NT. A higher Poleeno Multimedia. So they say the Airborne YouTube channel NT. Any news be concerning the youth, no. Yeah, the baby bro now sweating come. So what I say.
100,000 on the video clip. Only because I be on my CEO shit. No discount. Nigga gotta feed the whole clique. Someone on my jams and I take a road trip. I'm on my hustle like a stripper on the pole. Okay, we'll get.
Also hustle like a stripper on the pole. So we will be our club that but who say strippers no money nam pole no na omo to mo nan hyehyɛ soro on as or hustle nyeska because that time no na omo to mo na dope boys and as a party boys no mo ho no omo so be flow do on them no matini mo so no hustle is a stripper on a pole.
Gotta keep on the low. I'm a legend, homie, if you wanna know. I just know I'm only rapping to keep you on the toe. You only on discount, nigga gotta feed the whole clique.
My call back. Maybe so tia simu ha.
Someone on my jams and I take a road trip. I'm on my hustle like a stripper on the pole. Okay, well, I gotta keep on the low.
I say up her girl now, you gotta keep her on the low. Saying any guys ordinary the day social media be brace any ban also assemble boys need to grab it me and rushing and some be bit me and see we I think it's a way kind of cool advice you the man go for say Charlie if you do girl now keep it on the low yanko.
I'm a legend, homie, if you wanna know. I just know I'm only rapping to keep you on the toe.
I say I'm a legend. At this level, I'm just rapping to keep you on your toes. I think say Hannah good boy YA Kano. Yeah, say on Shatawale no. Yeah, I think 1 minute 45 seconds. And Hona Yedruna. Yeah. I see you only got a crib because your ass got signed. Nah. Yes, I'm okay.
On the pole. Okay, well, I gotta keep on the low. I'm a legend, homie, if you wanna know. I just know I'm only rapping to keep you on the toe. You only got a crib, push your ass outside. I'm self-made, everything is on mine.
I be self-made, everything is on mine. I think it's how it related to Shatawale and then in Nama or just Sarkodie Kabute no no. And no person or say nigga, unya crib because you sign or yes sign so yeah no person just say men's good and a sign Shatawale and a man in yes to ne crib and an mansion. And another good boy why a canon no church no dear everything be a unya from your own hustle. And she say okay say nigga ni do or no person or say what hustle nya do what you say obi anto hwe nche no nti say ya tofia chewa fanye dide wana so I think it's a sound of person che but yen go back ni say nti ho no
legend, homie, if you wanna know. I just know I'm only rapping to keep you on the toe. You only got a crib, push your ass outside. I'm self-made, everything is on mine. And nigga stay broke when the nigga don't grind. When I go to the family, nigga keep it online.
I see you only get broke when you don't grind. Like if you stop grinding, if you stop hustling, and be broke until no, still no, push harder.
Level, nigga, take a chill pill, cut the bullshit. You already know the real deal. I knew it would cry, but still kill. My boss want my pistol, what about the pill pill? I'm a rapper, who's too far, my bit
Why the no? I say, second no will cry. Still never to me akum. Na more rapper no, I know a pure was a day. Pure sassing. There be nti. Pure sassing. Sarkodie steady. Or say pure the into.
You already know the real deal. I knew it would cry, but still kill. My boss want my pistol, what about the pill pill? I'm a rapper, who's too far, my bit.
Some bars with a pistol, but pure. Yen skip it. Meaning so when him the by yen skip it. And my customer a bias, but yen skip it. I don't want to say it because I'm not too sure. What you say? Probably be on the fluking, maybe so on yeah.
The only way can I punchline 65 feet container. I guess you gotta diss cause you need a sustainer. Man, I got a shit together like a fucking witch spinner. Many times, man, I gotta keep focused. I'm a beast on the real niggas notice. Charlie the fans still the fuck with a nigga over 17 years, lifetime hypnosis. What else? Tribulations, travel.
How near did you make no ABC or Poleeno Multimedia? I was 17 years in the game and still now a hit. I'm a legend. No question the Sarkodie or by up on more thing. I just say I Poleeno Multimedia. Do subscribe. Hey, I'm about to subscribe it. Charlie, I had a show ni besi. I think it's over corner wakope nyumneti. The link in the subetu video no ase. Now so when you be I kama na so when you be eti. I Poleeno Multimedia. I'm strong Poleeno. Bye bye.